Gaia makes the call to leave, and Shawnee helps rally the herd. At least leaving this place will be far easier than arriving. Where they once had to swim, they can now walk. On the mainland, Gaia can lead her family on the long road back to the Delta. They'll travel through shaded woodlands where possible, conserving their strength for the desert. Off the island, she can once again tune in to the sounds of distant elephants. They're telling her the Angolan floodwaters are early. To get the best of the flood, she'll need to leave immediately and take the shortest possible route. There will be different dangers, different pathways, but the same goal: paradise.